Three main theories for the origins of the Basques. In the heart of Europe lies a mystery that has puzzled scholars for centuries: the origins of the Basques. This enigmatic people, with their unique language and rich cultural heritage, have sparked numerous theories about their beginnings. Join us as we explore the three main theories for the origins of the Basques. The first theory, known as the native origin theory, suggests that the Basque language developed over millennia in the region between the north of the Iberian Peninsula and the south of France. This theory posits that the Basques are a remnant of a pre-Indo-European population, their language a living relic of ancient Europe. Scholars propose that around 16,000 BC, a warmer climate allowed Proto-Basque groups to expand to Britain and Ireland. Modern genetic studies, such as those by the National Geographic Society Genographic Project, reveal unique genetic patterns among the Basques, linking them to the Celtic, Welsh, Irish, and other inhabitants of the British Isles. The second theory, Basque-Iberism, explores a potential kinship between the Basque and the Iberian languages. This theory suggests that either Basque evolved from Iberian or that both languages belong to the same family. Historical accounts from the 1st century BC describe the Iberians and Aquitanians as physically similar, speaking related languages and sharing customs, while some argue that the similarities are due to geographic proximity rather than kinship. The debate continues. The third theory, the Caucasian origin theory, delves into the linguistic similarities between Basque and the languages of the Caucasus, particularly Georgian. Researchers have compared the DNA of Basque and Georgian populations, finding significant differences. This theory, based on typological similarities, faces criticism, as these similarities do not indicate a genetic relationship. The comparisons were made with multiple Caucasian languages, leading to skepticism about the validity of this hypothesis. As we journey through these theories, we uncover the intricate tapestry of Basque history and heritage. Each theory offers a glimpse into the past, but the true origins of the Basques remain shrouded in mystery. Join us in celebrating the enduring legacy of the Basque people, a testament to the resilience and richness of human culture. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to learn more about the mysterious origins of the Basque people.